Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Oil and Diesel Production Plant by MrDexxx on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro, and this is going to be found under Factories. Now, we have two of them. We'll talk about the fast one a little bit later, but for now, we'll take the standard oil plant that anyone can use without any other mods, okay? So the fast one requires another mod to have the fast production. But let's look at the standard one first. 150,000 liters to purchase. There is no other. Yeah, it doesn't come with a sell point or anything like that. It's very pretty simple and straightforward. It's noted that. About the production. Yes, this production benefits from not having shared output. You can produce all items at their respective cycles per month. So so let's take a look at those cycles and the inputs. So incoming materials: canola, corn, ethanol, oil, olives, rice, sugar, and sunflowers. Now this is not as plain as you might think. Ethanol is produced with other products or other productions here, and also the oil is produced as a byproduct, basically. The rest of them are pretty straightforward. We have, let's see, 7 recipes here. Yes, including diesel, ethanol, and then the oils. So blended oil. We'll take corn. It will give you oil. Oil is used to make other things, ethanol and methane. Canola oil is pretty straightforward as well. You get 50 canola oil, 10 oil, ethanol, and methane from that. Diesel, you'll need the oil that you produce and ethanol that you also produce. So that's another byproduct. You can make ethanol straight up from sugar. And then we have olive oil, which produces olive oil and other byproducts. Same with rice oil and sunflower oil. So, input materials. Everything goes in here. Now we'll show you the sunflowers right away because that's what we have here. And there we go. Now the sugar is interesting. You can either put sugar in as a pallet of sugar, as we have here, pallet of sugar, or you could put sugar beets, raw, straight up sugar beets, directly in there. I put them in already, and it will immediately convert it to sugar. Now, there is a caveat to that, and that is the conversion from sugar beets to sugar is 5-to-1. So 5 liters of sugar beets will only give you 1 liter of sugar, which is a fair trade-off, I think, in my opinion, where you don't have to make your own sugar. Just put sugar beets in there. You can even just buy the sugar beets if you want, which I did. All right. I think that's it. We're going to see what happens with the methane. Now, it does have a methane output here, and fortunately my Rumbler van, DD Mod Passion van that I use for a bunch of stuff, does recognize the methane as an output, but yeah. So let's take a look at that recipe again. We don't have a methane production per se, so you can't set it to sell directly, which is a bit of an issue. We have the blended oil, which is okay, canola oil, diesel, ethanol, olive oil, rice oil, sunflower. So what are the things that aren't is the methane. The methane is the only one that we can't set to directly just straight up sell. But we're going to turn them all on because we can. And diesel's the only one that's going to say, hey, I don't have any oil, which will be produced. So we're going to turn them all on to, to see what we end up with. And again, we have the ethanol and the oil that we're going to need for the diesel, which will be produced as byproducts and other products, etc., etc. So now we're going to run it for a month, and we're going to see what we end up with. All right, we are back, and as you can see, we have them stacking, well, 4, 5 high. We got rice oil, olive oil, sunflower oil. What's this down here? Rice oil. Do we have? We have canola oil. I don't think we have corn oil. Yeah. So all the oils are out here, which is very cool. Let's take a look at what we got. Ethanol. Okay, so diesel's maxed out at 25,000 liters already, just from a month of just letting it run. We didn't even put anything in there. Methane, ethanol is being produced and used up. Yeah, all the oils have been produced. Plenty of diesel. So if you want to make your own diesel, what have we run out? Oh, it's not run out. It's we've maxed out the storage. All right. Selling this stuff. Is there a sell point for ethanol? Can we just say B, C, D, E? Eggs, flour. Oh, what is it? Is it actually called ethanol or is it something else? Can we even load it and sell it? I don't think so. Rice oil or just plain oil. Okay, there's oil. $345 per 1,000 liters. So that's, yeah, that's better used making diesel for sure. I don't see the, I don't see methane here either. Diesel, of course, sells at $4,400 per liter, or for 1,000 liters, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Why is there briquettes here? Oh, interesting. It includes, oh, because, yeah. Okay, we'll talk about the briquettes in a moment. So, there is our output there. Let's see, with our little van, what we can do here. So, there's the methane, there's the ethanol, and there's the diesel. So let's load the methane first. Not very quick. Actually, stop that. Okay. Can we sell it? We have a sell point here. Will we be able to sell our methane? Okay. So if you're using the, so what is that? This is the Lizard Rumbler van pack. There could be other tankers or other tanks that hold methane, but this one seems pretty universally versatile for that. It will load pallets and stuff like that too, but I use it for stuff like this. Now the ethanol. There we go. Okay. It's not very quick loading it. Now the methane, you might be able to refuel your methane. There is one methane vehicle here, and there's the ethanol, so we can sell it. Oh, $0 for ethanol. Did we get $0 for methane too? I didn't check. I wasn't paying attention. Let's get at least 100. It even has a little hissing sound when it's loading. That's neat. Okay, $100 should give us at least something, and yes, okay, it gives us a good. The ethanol is just not. Yeah, we are not getting paid for the ethanol, and it's not even listed here. So it is strictly something that you use to make diesel. That's pretty much straight up. You won't get anything for selling it, at least not at a sell point. All right. So that's it. The diesel, can you, okay. can you refuel your vehicles? If you can refuel the diesel, you'll be able to refuel. Okay, I'm gonna get sidetracked here again a little bit. But here, this is a methane-powered vehicle, which we don't have a fueling station for on base game. And if we can refuel the diesel, yes, we can refuel the diesel. There it is. We should be able to refuel a methane-powered vehicle as well from here. So that's actually acts as a fuel station for refueling or selling fuel whatsoever. All right. What about the fast oil plant? Let's take a look at that. So, same outgoing products. Incoming products, we have briquettes. Why do we have briquettes? Briquettes, diesel, we don't need it for sugar. Olive oil, yes. So, it's an accelerated recipes, accelerated cycles, but you need briquettes. Briquettes are a product of, I will tell you, I'm going to link this in, I don't have it installed, refined wood chips and sawdust factory and fuel production pack. That pack, by the same modder, by MrDexxx, produces briquettes. So if you want to use the oil plant fast and do fast stuff, you must have that other mod by MrDexxx, but it's not required. It's not forcing you to download it. It just is, if you want to use the fast production, you have to download. I will put a link to it in the description of this video, and there you have it. So that's it. That's the oil and diesel production by MrDexxx. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.